You watching Top 5 Best Car Alarms. Number 5. Pyle Car Alarm Security. Car alarm, alert yourself and scare off would-be car burglars with the 120 dB two-tone siren and built-in relay for parking lights, 2 auxiliary outputs plus many programmable features. Choose passive or active arming depending on the situation. 2 remote transmitters. Pyle Car Security System has 2 remote transmitters with status indicator LED. Each 4-transmitter button has 2 operating modes, standard and level shifted. The remote functions panic mode, chirp mute and sensor bypass. Ignition locks. Pyle Security System features ignition locking that automatically locks the doors 5 seconds after the ignition key is turned on, and unlock when the ignition key is turned off. This feature helps to prevent you from being locked out. 2 auxiliary outputs. This auxiliary output can be used to activate other accessories in your vehicle like the remote engine start, turn on headlights, window roll up. Pressing transmitter button 1 will arm the system and activate 30-second output. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 4. XOVision DX382 Universal. Includes 2 4-button keychain remotes for arming/disarming system. Advanced electronic shock sensor emit a warning or alarm when vehicle is hit or moved. Convenience features like car finder, power trunk release, vehicle lock/unlock. Anti-carjacking protection. 1-year warranty. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 3. Universal Immobilizer Bypass. Compatible with most alarms for wide-ranging use. Bypasses factory anti-theft systems for using a remote starter. 2-wire connection for simple installation. Key-in-the-box design, requires the use of a spare vehicle key. Metal and plastic construction for durability. Bypasses immobilizer during remote start only. Simple 2-wire connection for easy installation. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 2. Crimestopper SP101 Deluxe. Crimestopper one-way car alarm and keyless entry security system. 500 feet of range, up to 1,500 feet in optimum conditions. Remote keyless entry with programmable double unlock pulse. Emergency override/disarm feature allows to open door and override alarm if transmitter is lost. 2 4-button remote transmitters included. Used up to the range of 1,500 feet. Audible and visual arm/disarm with intrusion alert. Please check the description for details and update price. Number 1. Viper 350 Plus 3105V1. 3-channel one-way security system with keyless entry 4-button remotes. Additional options include remote starter and GPS tracking. Fail-safe starter kill. Anti-carjacking and panic alarm feature. Revenger 6-tone soft chirp siren and parking light alarm response. Bright blue status LED warns thieves and gives you info about the system. Please check the description for details and update price.